Hey guys, in this video, we're going to teach you how to save your searches in Propstream and also get email updates when new properties hit that search criteria. This could be very, very helpful when you're doing your motivated seller marketing. So if we had a search, let's say for a couple zip codes that we wanted to see when new vacants hit the market in that area, we can do so. And we can even get an email update when that happens, guys. Let's jump right in. Today, we're going to be using Propstream to get email updates on new properties in a certain area. So I'm going to go to 631114. This is an area that we like to buy rentals in here in the St. Louis market. And by clicking that, it's actually going to pull up this area here, right here in St. Louis. Now, I like this area because our office is located right around this area here. So getting up here, it's a very, very easy drive for us, about 5 to 10 minutes to get up there to view these houses. Now, in this zip code, guys, there is 15,000 properties over here, right? So what am I going to do? I'm going to filter out all of the ones that I don't want. And I'm literally just looking for vacants. That's it. That's all I want. There's 898 vacants in this area. Now, I also want to get rid of my off markets because I'm doing motivated seller marketing and I don't want to be dealing with properties that are listed, because then I have to go through an agent. All right. If I wanted to do other things like value or equity, I could easily do a estimated equity percentage of, let's say, 30%. So now I have high equity essentially, and I have off market and I have vacants, and that's it. That's really all I want to do. So you can see over here within this search, I have 784 unique properties. I'm going to click this save search up top. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to do vacants in 63114. Next, I am going to have details. So this is a great rental area, looking for vacants, right? Just keep a little description so you know what's going on in this area. All right. Include on home screen and replace. And what this does is this is actually going to add a new button to the top of your screen if you want that. And you can label that. I don't want to do that today. I just want to actually get notified. Next is email me when new properties become available. So it's auto defaulted to never because it doesn't want to just send you emails every time you do something. But the coolest part is you can actually turn this feature on right here. So I want to say, daily, send me an email when a new vacant comes up. And I really like this area. So I'm going to actually get notified right away of these vacants, send this over to our team so we can reach out to these property owners in real time. Mike?
I love it, man. This is so cool. So cool.
Love it, guys. So this is how you do it over in Propstream. You find your criteria, which could be a number of different ways. You click the save search, you add it in here, and then you select how you want to get those emails. Maybe you only want to get them weekly. That's fine. Maybe you have that thing set for pre-foreclosures and you want to know in real time right away so you can be the first person to get out and talk to those property owners. Lots of options here, but the save search feature over on Propstream that has the ability to email it to you is very underutilized, guys. And I wanted to show you that this is something that we've been using recently to help us get deals, and it is a pro tip. Go use it and check it out for yourself.